need to put this last one in, I really do.
Round
I'll do it later.
A fitting commendation. S7 sniper inbound.
He's over here, I'm marking him. One down, over there.
Spike obtained. Energy sword inbound. Energy sword available.
No scope. No scope.
Shields are down.
Oh, okay.
double kill.
Double kill.
Hammer is one. Get back, rabble.
Thank you. Fuck. That was my only fuck.
Killing spree.
There's sword up there. Sword and shotgun on my head right now. He got shotgun coming to you
Watch
guys.
out. Hostiles have a sword.
He got a sword. He's got sword. Sorry.
Overshield
Yeah, he's on
available.
it. I'm going for Obi. Obi comes up and grab it.
They've taken our flag. Enemy flag carriers.
I totally forgot it was guys as well. No idea. Totally off my radar.
Flag returned.
Alright, shock rifle. Oh. 2 shots. He's coming to y'all. 1 shot.
10 seconds.
He's right by you.
They have our flag. Take it back.
Pop their shield.
One.
Sudden death.
Enemy shields down.
You saw him. Wait.
Flag returned.
Okay.
One. Round 2.
Ever closer to victory. S7 sniper inbound.
Oh shit. Ooh. He wave on my X.
Enemy there.
Nice shot, bro.
Our forces have seized the enemy flag. Energy sword available.
Enemy cards are closing in. Pop their shield.
We're gonna run, bro. Yeah, I got our back. There you go. Good job.
That sword bearer got me.
Watch that.
Hey, fire, flag
Killing spree. Double
Oh,
kill.
I didn't see that. He's right by me. Dang. Are they gonna return that? They're gonna return
Enemy
it.
flag
Oh, we got an AFK.
returned.
Come on, bro. What are you, swag? What are you doing, man? Fucking around. Trying to derank yourself or something? What's up, bro? God dang. Fucking funny shit.
Enemy shield down.
Overshield available. Enemy flags in Allied hands.
Fucking overkill. Oh my goodness, sword guy right there. Love it. And we're returning again. Jesus.
Enemy flag returned.
Awesome. Hello, buddy.
Time for some close
I got
quarters
you right
poke.
Enemy Spartans are close again.
Beautiful shot, Spartan. Yours.
Oh, dude. No words. There's no words for that.
Another one down.
Triple kill. Overkill.
Kill. Go. Get the fuck out of here.
Extermination.
Extermination.
S7 sniper available.
Flag captured. Round 1.
That's how you do it. Overkill. Extermination to win the game. Now
We've
you
got
gotta
this
go
in the bag, eh?
I want that heat wave. What? I got
Double kill.
it. Go, go, go.
S7 sniper inbound. They have our flag. Take it back. Enemy flag carrier spotted. S7 sniper available.
I don't have anything. No.
Energy sword inbound.
Enemy captured your
No,
flag. Round lost.
God dang, dude. I don't know how this game is even going on with y'all. This is crazy.
The win is in reach, Spartan.
Let's keep going. We'll continue. Like I said, going into the Twilight Zone.
S7 sniper inbound. Enemy flags in Allied hands.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Enemy flag returned.
Yeah. That shock rifle out.
Energy sword inbound. Plasma grenades
You're
obtained.
copying for the mini short right there? That's what you're doing? That's your gameplay? Okay. Alright.
Energy sword available.
Alright, shock rifle. Don't know how to do with it.
Another one down.
Hostile shot. Our forces have seized the enemy flag.
I knew that was done.
Flag returned.
Something here.
Overshield inbound.
We're gonna get it.
Overshield available.
Double kill.
Come on. That's not an AFK guy. Yeah, he's just chilling. We're not gonna win this. What are we thinking? We got an AFK guy sitting there. Fantastic, dude. Fantastic. Appreciate your hard work.
Enemy
right here.
flag returned.
Team greatly appreciates you, sir. Awesome.
Another one put down.
Okay. Just turn around and kill that dude.
Round
With your right towards the
lost.
freaking cloud. Oh. Headache, dude. We're gonna lose this.
Overtime.
I'm gonna hold this fucking down for us.
We've got this in the bag, eh?
We don't got shit in the bag. God.
Double kill.
S7 sniper inbound.
Where are you getting shot from?
They have our flag. Take it back. We have eyes on the enemy flag carrier. S7 sniper available.
Killing spree. Flag returned.
Another drone. Don't think twice
It's gonna be
next
better than
time.
that.
Energy sword inbound.
Are they going for the short?
Energy sword available.
Sniper, keep that down.
I get that away. Turn off, man. Turn off.
They've taken our flag. Enemy flag carrier spotted. The enemy carrier has revealed themselves.
Here.
They're close.
Where you at?
Double kill.
We have eyes on the enemy flag carrier. Spike obtained. How satisfying. Overshield inbound.
Flag.
Flag
I
returned.
clutched the city.
Killing spree.
Unbelievable.
Triple kill.
Triple kill.
1 minute remaining.
I just
Overshield available.
destroyed that team, bro.
Enemy Spartans are
Oh,
close
hell
again.
yeah. 32 and 30. This is getting uploaded. And I got those. What's up?
Simple as that.
Get up out of here, boy. Our flag. We're really fine.
30 seconds remaining.
Enemy shields down.
Oh, what?
Your ammo reserves are depleting.
10 seconds.
They have our flag. Take it back. Look there. Enemy flag carrier.
Killing frenzy. Double kill.
Shields are down. Tango's closing.
How are you gonna stop that?
Flag returned.
Oh, we won, dude.
Victory.
Oh my gosh, bro. Thank me. All thank you now, dude. Go watch this replay and see how dominant I was. God dang, bro. That's annihilation, bro.